Michelle with Pink and Maine. It's the first of the month and it's no April Fool's joke. It's time to share our subscription products for April 2022. Our stamp and die of the month this month is called Lady Luck. Look at these adorable ladybugs. And of course, I colored mine pink. I know they're supposed to be red, but in my world, the ladybugs are hot pink. So if you subscribe to the stamp of the month, you're going to get this adorable 4x6 stamp set. And if you subscribe to the stamp and die of the month, you will also get the coordinating dies. And this month, I was able to fit it in and gave you the dies for the sentiments as well. So lots of fun with the stamp and die of the month. If you're new to our subscription products, if you subscribe to the stamp of the month, each month you will be charged on the 10th of the month $12. We ship these for free within the US and you'll get your stamp set shortly after. If you subscribe to the stamp and die of the month, you also get charged on the 10th of the month and we will send you the stamp and die. It's $24 for both. That's an awesome deal and it includes free shipping within the US. As long as you're an active subscriber to any of our subscription products, you get 15% off on our website on any other orders. We also allow you to skip a month if you like, or you can cancel anytime. So next, let's talk about what's in our Crafty Courtyard Kit this month. If you subscribe to our Crafty Courtyard Kit, you get charged on the 15th of each month, and we ship it out right afterwards. It's $34.99 base cost of the kit, plus we add a flat shipping cost depending on where you are located. This month, the theme is Lemon Twist. Here's the color palette. Our postcard gives you what's inside the kit. And we always give you a nice decorated postcard that you can use to make a card if you like. So first we'll go over the cardstock in the kit. We have 3 shades of blue. We have a yellow, an orange, and of course you get your 2 sheets of 110-pound ice rink white cardstock. It's perfect for your card bases. As always, you get your handy mesh zippered project bag so you can keep all your goodies inside the bag or craft on the go and take them with you when you get the bag in the box. We've got some beautiful enamel dots that match the colors in the kit. Aren't those gorgeous? I love these fresh blues and yellows and oranges together. You're gonna get some round stickers. You can use them as envelope seals or you can use them on your card projects. We have a beautiful exclusive sequin mix. It's very iridescent and shiny. I can't wait to use these on some of the cards. Get a full 6x6 paper pad. This one is gorgeous. I went with the lemon theme and thought it looked really pretty with some of these Mediterranean tile type patterns. So I'll go through the papers with you. We've got lemons and then some of these really pretty Mediterranean tiles. We've got lemons on the tiles, some different patterns. Here's a large tile with some lemons and flowers. Here's a really pretty smaller tile, just patterned together. We've got some more just lemons here. Look at that. I can't wait to create some cards with these fun papers. Look at this, all the different tiles together. There's that one. What's that? These are just really fun. I love the blue and yellow together. Here's some more lemons with some tiles. There's a fun pattern. Some more. Oh, look at those fun tiles. We also have some yellow stripe with some more pretty patterns on the back. We have a blue stripe with some patterns on the back. And there's 24 different patterns. They're double-sided sheets, so you get 2 of each pattern. This is These are the same patterns I just showed you, they're just repeated. You're gonna get a 6x6 stencil. And look at that gorgeous detailed stencil. That will make some beautiful backgrounds for your cards. You also get a 6x6 embossing folder. Look at that ornate pattern on this embossing folder. I can't wait to emboss some paper. Maybe ink over it, maybe put some ink in your embossing folder and run it through. You can do so many fun things with this, and it's a gorgeous, gorgeous ornate pattern. And here we have our 6x6 exclusive stamp set for the kit. We've got 2 sets of outlines of lemons with leaves, and then you have all the solid stamps to stamp inside. So you don't have to color it if you don't want to. You can stamp the colors into the images. So the sentiments in this stamp set are: each day you get a fresh start when life gives you lemons. I love your zest for life and squeeze the day. You can make a lot of really nice cards with these stamps and dies. And you also, last but not least, you get the coordinating dies for the stamp set. This is a large set of dies. We've got the dies for the stamps of the lemons as well as for each of the sentiments. I hope you've enjoyed taking a closer look at our subscription products for April 2022. If you're not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? It's a great month to subscribe. Head on over to pinkandmain.com and check it out for yourself. If you have any questions about our subscription products or how the subscription works, you can drop us an email at info@pinkandmain.com. We're always here to help. Until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.